Array of integers are array. Yeah. Return true if the number of occurrences of each value in the array is unique or false otherwise. Yeah, let's just use a set here. And the number of occurrences in... Oh, okay, that's good. Oh, okay. So we would count all the appearances, and then we could just basically take a set of the values in that count and see if that's equal to the original count. So the set would turn it into unique values. So what I mean by that is iterate is map all appearance counts. Then get take values of maps, take set of the map, take the set of the values to eliminate unique, non-unique, and then check if the length of the original values equals set length, because the set length will eliminate unique values or non-unique values. So let's do this. For C in for n in array, we'll have appearances equals dictionary. We're going to say appearances if n in appearances. Then we're going to say appearances n plus equals 1. Otherwise, set it to be equal to 1. Okay, cool. Now we're going to take the counts equals appearances values. So now we have an array of just the values. We don't even care about the keys. And then we'll just say return length of counts equal to the length of the set of counts. That should work. Done. Wow, that was a powerful one. Proud of that one.